Welcome to Has Academy channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about something very interesting which is called the power of silence. Yes, we all think being silent, what is the power in that? But when you are silent inside yourself, when you're silent to all the external noises and keeping them just mute, and then you go inside and there will be a chatter inside your head, keep that mute, then is where the space that you really get, where you can listen to your inner voice, and that happens in silence. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a small guided meditation on how you can harness silence at all times during the day, wherever it's required. Alright, so please close your eyes, take a deep breath and breathe out. Focus on your breath and it will quieten your mind. Imagine yourself wrapped into a cocoon of silence. This cocoon is completely protecting you from all the external noises. And you're totally inside this cocoon. Imagine now ensuring that you have a switch in your head, and whenever you're going to be wanting your mind chatter to be off, you are just going to operate this switch. Now you choose to put off this switch pertaining to your mind chatter. Now you're completely in silence. Listen to your inner voice and see the couple of realizations it is sharing with you when you are harnessing this silence for yourself. Slowly come back to your consciousness. Whenever you want to harness silence, you will go into this cocoon and switch off the mental chatter so that you can hear your inner voice. And with this in mind, and also the realization that you had during this process, thank your body, thank yourself, thank the divine power, thank your soul for this meditation of silence, and slowly open your eyes and come back to your consciousness. Welcome back. Post in the comment section below on what is that realization you had during this process, and also subscribe for our channel so that you will get regular updates from us. Wishing you happiness and success. This is Dr. Poorani, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling. And we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.